In this Sailing Doodles, we sail into New York City and then take you around to show you the sights. This season of Sailing Doodles features Bobby, Allie, and Megan as we sail around in our 1989 CT56. Thank you so much to our patrons for making this channel possible. In the previous video, we visited fantastic Atlantic City, got a little pool time, things got a little weird, and then we sailed up to Sandy Hook. So you are watching this video on the internet, so I want to talk to you about your internet. Basically, I travel full-time on the boat. The boat is my home, and so I don't have like a dedicated home Wi-Fi. I'm using Wi-Fi abroad wherever I can find it, and that's why you need a good VPN. So SurfShark VPN is a virtual private network that basically encrypts and secures your data whenever you're on an open browser or an open Wi-Fi hotspot. So when you're traveling, it's a necessary thing to have. But the coolest thing about SurfShark is that they have over 1,800 servers in 63 countries. So the way it works is that, say I'm in the Bahamas and I want to watch The Mandalorian on Disney Plus, right? Well, Disney Plus is not covered in the Bahamas, so I can't watch it there. But I can log on to a SurfShark server in the United States and watch it. It basically routes through there, and I can watch The Mandalorian.
This is the way.
Same with like Netflix or Pandora. That's a big pain in the butt, is Pandora is not allowed in the Bahamas, but if I just connect my VPN, the SurfShark VPN, to the America, I can listen to Pandora and all my favorite songs. One really cool thing to do is, say, like Netflix, right? Netflix has an American lineup of shows. Say you want to watch some British comedies that aren't on Netflix America. You can log on to a SurfShark VPN server in London. Boom. You can watch, I don't know, Faulty Towers? Is that too old of a reference? Or I don't know.
Hello, Faulty Towers. Oh, what is it now? Can't you leave me in peace?
SurfShark works on an unlimited number of devices, so just one login works on all your devices. Pretty cool there. But right now, they're giving you 83% off if you use the code Doodles at checkout. There's a link down below and in the show notes. You go to there, and when you're under promo code Doodles, and you get 83% off for 4 months. And there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you don't like it, whatever, cancel, you get your money back, no problem. So SurfShark VPN, it's the way to go for when you're traveling abroad or just want to secure your data or you want to watch stuff. SurfShark VPN, use the code Doodles at checkout and save 83% for 4 months. It was an absolutely beautiful morning anchored off of Sandy Hook, getting ready to sail into New York City.
We are pulling up anchor in Sandy Hook, New Jersey, getting ready to head into New York City this morning. And the Coast Guard is about it.
That was timely.
that was totally timely.
Hi. New York City, baby.
Yep, so it's only about 10 or 12 miles into the city today. We got one night at the Marina 115 or something in Brooklyn. The most expensive marina I've ever done. That's why we're only doing one night. But we're gonna go see a couple of the sites that we can see because of COVID. I think, go see the 9/11 Memorial and Central Park. And do what we can and then move on tomorrow.
Yeah, excited about it.
Yeah. We'll go by the Statue of Liberty here pretty quick too. So, about to go through the Verrazano Narrows Bridge there. Imagine, 100 years ago, how many thousands of people did this, but coming from Europe,
Very true. Very true. In fact, we'll pass Ellis Island on the way in, where everybody made their first stop into the United States.
Yep. And we'll check in at the Statue of Liberty there, too.
So here we are entering New York Harbor, and on its way out is the 1,203-foot Thalassa Patrice.
Quite small.
It's just a tiny thing.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, look at that.
What? We might feel that.
Wow, that's digging a hole in the water, folks. So yeah, this thing is throwing just a little bit of a wake here. Here it goes. How did we enjoy our ride there? We enjoyed that. We like that little more roller coaster.
Patty was great.
Good job, Patty. Thank you. Thank you for that.
Traveling from the deep forest
closer to Lady Liberty. Allie, can you give your best Statue of Liberty impression?
I need a crown.
Yeah.
4 miles from the Statue of Liberty, and then it's only another mile or two to the Brooklyn Marina after that. There's not really any anchorages or stuff, and the marinas are super expensive, but it's pretty cool to go through here.
Yeah. How deep are we in here?
It's like 35, 40 feet. I think in the center of the channel it's closer to 70, 80, but you know, we're opposite sides. So I wish it wasn't COVID, we could actually go have some fun in the city.
We'll
do our
have a
best.
good time.
Yeah.
There's a world inside my head. I get lost in it from time to time. Oh, here we go. It's overflow. I don't know where to go.
It's good to be home. Good to be back.
Yeah.
It's my home state. And we have lovely lower Manhattan over here. Brooklyn, Queens up north.
All right, let's get to Brooklyn. That's where our marina is.
BK.
Oh, here we go. It's overflow. I don't know where to go. Yeah, my homeless soul.
So this is Governor's Island in the middle of New York Harbor. These cool old gantries here from back when railroad cars used to go back and forth to all the various boroughs and islands. And here we have the skyline of Brooklyn. And of course the financial district in Manhattan. These are the ferry terminals for Staten Island Ferry. This is the old historic terminal, which is architecturally beautiful. It's really stunning. And the Brooklyn Bridge.
It's overflow. I don't know where to go. Yeah, my homeless soul.
Coming into 115 Marina in Brooklyn Heights, Brooklyn. Definitely still have a little bit of authentic original Brooklyn flavor here.
You ready to be on YouTube?
Welcome.
Thank you.
What do you think?
Happy to be here. It's a pretty cool marina. We have a great view over there.
Yeah, I mean, you don't get a better view than this.
No. Well, you might.
Yeah, well, go to Bora Bora, you get a better view. But of New York, pretty good. It's a pretty cool spot. So we got the Statue of Liberty right there, and Manhattan right there.
Views for days.
Yeah, I mean, it's pretty nice. Expensive, but nice. So now we are gonna go explore the city a little bit. I think the actual museum, the 9/11 museum's closed, but they still have the outside monuments,
Yeah.
right? And we can go to Central Park and find a place to hang out.
Absolutely.
How's it feel in the subway?
Eerie. A little sticky.
Yeah, it's definitely sticky.
Yeah, it's hot in here. And there's way less people than I've ever seen. Like in the subway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Someday you'll rise and come into a field of view, be visible to a few.
Welcome to my old neighborhood. Used to live right here on Wall Street. Welcome to Wall Street.
Sit that an angel will illuminate the sky, but my reflection is slowly fading now, and the vision of you and I.
Well, it's nice to have a nice meal out.
It is.
New York.
Very much
We love
so.
New York.
Where are we at right now?
Broad Street.
Broadstones.
Broad Street and Stone Street.
Yep. Clever name. How's your froze?
Froze all day.
You match your shirt too. Look at you. It's so coordinated.
Planned ahead.
Like, wow.
Are they not
Okay.
falafels?
No, that's the pecan crusted goat cheese.
Oh, hell yeah. It's like a mozzarella.
Wow. This place does not mess
I
around.
basically got chili and nachos. I'm excited about it. Oh, stop it.
Yeah, they actually they look wonderful.
I'm missing every moment with you, and I'll be waiting here for you. I feel this is too good to be true, but times are changing.
I've been to the 9/11 Memorial several times now, and each time it leaves me with a somber feeling.
Followed every trace of you, grasping every memory. Summer moved on. You said you were sorry.
Pretty sad how many people perished here. Just for some crap.
Yeah, being here as a way of leaving you speechless.
Yeah.
For sure.
So these rock formations are actually a memorial to those that died cleaning it up. There's a lot of cancers and whatever people died from.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, because they're breathing in all that.
Yeah.
Who knows what else. So the steel inlays here are actually steel from the Trade Center itself, the wreckage. Evidently the same architect or designer that did that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Had to leave.
We headed back in the subway to see Central Park.
At least that's how I feel. I'm missing every moment with you.
I watched someone get proposed to last time I was right here.
It's really amazing, like how, I mean, we're in the middle of one of the biggest cities in the world, and there's this lush landscape in the middle of it.
Forest. Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Absolutely beautiful. My favorite thing about New York City by far.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. Big granite things.
Big boulders.
Wait, big boulders? What are you
Yeah.
talking about? I wouldn't know anything about that. Neither would you, right?
Oh. So to the left here we have the Balto statue. Balto in 1925 delivered diphtheria serum and saved the world.
So now he's got his own statue in Central Park. What a good boy.
And he's the goodest boy.
He's a good boy.
To a few.
Such cuties.
Someday you'll rise.
So we walked all the way through Central Park. All the restaurants and stuff were closed.
Yes, and we're in a dire emergency.
Yeah, somebody has to go to the bathroom really bad. No, it's not me. I did earlier. They thankfully waited for me.
Blame me for your blunders.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I do.
I'm staring through your window, looking up at the stars. Up at the
We were really happy with the time we spent at the 115 Brooklyn Marina and would highly recommend it. They'll even cut you a deal if you stay more than a few days.
Get to your heart. Ooh, you're letting your fears take hold, let them take control, and it's making me crazy. If you could only look at me, you know how I feel, know how I feel. Oh, see how much I want it, see how bad I need it. You gotta look into my eyes.
Good time in New York, guys, huh?
Absolutely. A good time in New York.
All right, here we go.
Thank you for having us.
I will let you have the others.
They have high salt rosé here.
All right, so I want to thank our really cool patron and viewer Brian. He made us this homemade rum, nice little logo on it and everything.
Beautiful.
So we are going to make a cocktail right now. Thank you, Brian. So cheers.
Cheers.
What do you think of the drink?
We have
Is it that bad?
rum coke. No, it's actually really delicious. He did a good job, but we have an ice shortage, and that open ice container is not going to help our shortage, Bob.
I know, I messed that up.
Bob.
All right, well, hey, thank you guys for watching and subscribing.
Yes.
Please click the like button, the thumbs up. There's a little bell next to the subscribe button. If you click that, then it'll notify you when we post a new
Click
video.
it.
Thank you so much to our patrons for making this channel possible. It's go to sailingdoodles.com and you can learn how you can become a patron.
Cheers.